Hello students, congratulations to all of you for your successful completion of chapter 1 and 2. Now we will be shifting to chapter 3, Deep Water by William Douglas. Deep Water is our autobiographical account of the author's childhood misadventure at the swimming pool. He tells us how, as a young boy, he was nearly drowned in the swimming pool. Thereafter, he feared water so much that he avoided it whenever he could. But on the other hand, he was also determined to get rid of his fear. Slowly and steadily, he overcame the fear of water in the end. William Douglas was 10 or 11 years old when he decided to swim. The Young Men's Christian Association pool was safe for swimming. It was only 2 to 3 feet deep at the shallow end and 9 feet at the deep end. The narrator had an aversion in going in water. It started when he was 3 or 4 years old. He stood with his father in the surf when the waves swept over him. He was almost buried in water. He developed a fear for the huge waves. He went to the Young Men's Christian Association pool to learn swimming. A big bully boy tossed him into the deep end of the swimming pool. He was frightened and found himself at the bottom. He grew panicky. He was suffocating. He tried to cry. He had lost his breath and went down endlessly. His heart was pounding. He was paralyzed. He jumped with all his force, but in vain. All efforts ended. He lost consciousness. When he came to consciousness, he found him laying on his stomach in the edge of the pool. For days, a fear of water haunted him. The fear stayed with him for years. Finally, he got an instructor and decided to learn to swim. The instructor attached a rope to the narrator's belt. The rope went through a pulley. He held it to the end of the rope and it went back and forth, up and down in the pool. The instructor taught him to put his face under water and exhale. He also taught him to raise his noses and inhale. Finally, he became a complete swimmer, but he still feared when he was alone in pool. He was still not satisfied. Once he dived off a dock at Trigis Island and swam 2 miles across the lake. Finally, he was able to conquer his fear of water. Thank you very much.